All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is Tuesday, February 2nd. These are your bell ringer problems. All right, problem number 5. They're asking us, is 52,358 an even or an odd number? And so, when you're looking at even or odd numbers, we can look at all of the digits and we can just ignore them. And you only look at the number in the ones place. And that is an 8. I know that 8 is an even number. So 52,358 is also even. That's all you do is just look at the last digit. So that is an even number. Number 6 here. An octagon has blank sides. We should know that an octagon has 8 sides, and we know that it looks like a stop sign. Okay, that's my octagon. Kind of a not so great octagon. I kind of messed it up on that side. Number 7, we need to look at 46,238 times 4. I know that 4 times 8 is 32. Put your 2 down, carry your 3. 4 times 3 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 4 times 6 is 24. Put your 4 down, carry your 2. 4 times 4 is 16, 17, 18. And then 1, 2, 3, comma, 184,958. And then for number 8, they say if it's 9:10 now, what time was it 2 hours and 10 minutes ago? Mr. Webb loves to use the timeline. So I'm going to do 1 hour here minus 1 hour. And that's going to put me at, that's going to put me at 8:10. I was almost going to write 10:10. And then minus another hour. And that's going to put me at 7:10. And then minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes, or just minus 10 minutes. And I know that that's going to put me at 7 o'clock. So I'm assuming that this is 7 p.m. 7 o'clock p.m. Okay? I'm just making that assumption. Okay. 5 hours and 10 minutes ago. Holy moly. I did that one wrong. So I know that I'm at 7, and now I need to subtract 5 hours from 7. So 7 minus 1 more hour is going to get me to 6. 7 minus another hour, or 6 minus an hour is going to get me to 5. 5 minus another hour is going to get me to 4. So right there, 9 minus 5 hours and 10 minutes is going to get me to 4 p.m. I'm glad I caught that. 4 p.m. would be your final answer. 4 p.m. All right, and then for your word problem here. Jenny makes quilts. She can make 7 quilts with 21 yards of material. How many yards of material would be required to make 12 quilts? Well, the way that you would work this problem, I've got 7, I've got 21, I've got 12. I've got my question, how many yards of material would be required to make 12 quilts? And this is a problem where I want to figure out how many yards it takes to make 1 quilt. And once I figure out how many yards it takes to make 1 quilt, I should be good. So I can take this 21 yards that it takes to make 7 quilts, and I can divide it by those 7 quilts to figure out how much it takes to make 1 quilt. So 21 yards divided by the 7 quilts, I know that 3 times 7 is going to give me 21. And that gets me 0. So I know it takes 3 yards to make 1 quilt. If it takes 3 yards to make 12 quilts, to make 1 quilt, I'm going to take 12 times the 3 yards that it takes to make them. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And figure that it takes 36 yards to make 12 quilts. 36 yards. Okay, and that is your answer for Tuesday's word problem. So our password today, we had Heart Month, and I'm going to call this smoothie. Hashtag smoothie, because you know I like to say Tuesday, smooth day. Smooth day, Tuesday. All right, have a great day, guys.